Imagine being able to make your own medications at home. No prescriptions, no pharmacy lines, just you and a few ingredients. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the shocking truth. Making your own drugs isn't just dangerous, it's illegal. Today, we're diving into the science of drug development and why this is one DIY project you should never try. The complex science behind drug development. Creating a safe and effective drug isn't as simple as mixing a few chemicals. It takes years of research, clinical trials, and rigorous testing to ensure a medication is both safe and effective. For example, developing a single antibiotic can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. This isn't something you can replicate in your kitchen. The dangers of homemade drugs. Here's the scary part. Even if you could replicate a drug at home, the risks are enormous. Without proper equipment and expertise, you could create something toxic, or even deadly. For example, improperly made painkillers could contain dangerous contaminants or incorrect dosages, leading to overdose or organ damage. This isn't a risk worth taking. The legal consequences. Making your own drugs isn't just dangerous, it's illegal. In most countries, creating controlled substances without a license is a felony, punishable by hefty fines and even jail time. The legal system takes this seriously, and so should you. What you can make at home. Natural remedies. While you can't make prescription drugs at home, there are some safe, natural remedies you can create. For example, ginger tea can help with nausea, and honey lemon syrup can soothe a sore throat. These aren't drugs, but they can provide relief for minor ailments, safely and legally. The bottom line, leave drug making to the experts. At the end of the day, your health is too important to gamble with. Leave drug development to the scientists and pharmacists who have the training and resources to do it safely. If you're struggling to afford medications, talk to your pharmacist about discount programs or generic alternatives. Your safety is worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and share it with someone who needs to know. For more information, visit us at pharmacy.fyi. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.